And we're here at the AIBC Summit Eurasia Edition 2023. And right now we're talking to the greatest minds in blockchain, AI, and also medtech. And with me I have one of the great minds in the space of medtech and actually working in Web3 as well, Georgina from Aria Health. So Georgina, first of all, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Great to be here today. And you?
I'm good. Have you been enjoying the Dubai heat?
I love it, yes. So this is the right place for me.
Oh, fantastic. So tell me a little bit about Aria Health. What is Aria Health doing in the space?
Yeah, so Aria Health is a Web3 health data platform. We connect with hospitals to get patients better access to their medical data. And then we really are all about getting the patient empowered and getting them to be involved in the future of health. And we then connect them with research entities, universities, pharmaceuticals, to know what's happening to their data, how's it being used, and be the ones who can really control and go through their healthcare journey.
So being a Web3 data health platform, that means the actual person gets paid for their health data?
Yeah, so it's a bit, so first of all, the patient gets the ownership over their data, so they get to hold their own blockchain wallet, holding their own data and know that they have that control and privacy over it. They then have that opportunity to say, you know, I'm happy for this to be shared and used for research purposes. And rather than the current situation where, for example, pharmaceutical companies are paying healthcare organizations for access to medical data, like we have 23andMe that paid, that sold 10 million DNA records to 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐲 for $300 million. Instead of them getting paid, we're distributing this through smart contracts back to the patients so that they can really get their share and be involved in that process.
Okay, so they all of a sudden they do become part of the entire process. Now, how long has Aria Health been in operations, and how far are you along your journey?
Yeah, so we've been going since 2018. We started from a research project, which was published in one of the biggest medical journals in the world, The Lancet, and we originally launched our solution in 2 European hospitals, so we've already got patients up using our platform, really engaged with getting access to their data, and we're now launching with some public listed hospital groups with more than 80 hospitals to actually start getting the research side involved and monetize their data. And in fact, our next launch is in Dubai. Oh,
that's amazing to hear. This is one of the things. I come from the blockchain space, and I love hearing actual projects working, because we've spent so many years of hearing, we're going to do this, or we've sort of tried this, but the fact that it's actually working, it's actually going in, it's in and going into more hospitals. This is an amazing thing. So not only is it going to help the patients themselves by empowering them through the power of owning their own data, but they'll monetize it, but then it'll help so many other people as well with what they can do with that data, and they can make sure that the data is going for good use.
Yeah, and I think that's really what blockchain is always been about. It's about building a network that can align and incentivize all the different stakeholders. So, you know, you take the healthcare data industry, you have a lot of different people interested in this, from the hospitals, from the clinics, from the doctors, to the farmers and the researchers and AI health tech companies and all these new amazing projects coming out. And it's really about making sure this becomes an ecosystem which we all share and work together. But yeah, we've always sort of started this from an angle of, we want to bring blockchain to a mainstream audience. We don't want it to be something that you have to be, you know, the crypto native to use. So like a big part of our solution has been about focusing on that user experience and being able to get, you know, from your grandmother to your child involved in this and really being able to benefit from the huge value which the technology has.
Well, that's fantastic. Any big news coming now for Aria Health?
Yeah, so I mean, we just sort of are about to launch in Dubai. We have one of the biggest hospital groups in the world joining. We can't say much more right now, but definitely keep an eye on us, and soon you'll be able to see a lot of new news on that side.
And what have you thought about the AIBC Summit so far? Did you attend yesterday?
Yes, I did. It was great. It's been such a diverse audience, really interesting talks, met lots of people, a very friendly atmosphere. So it's been really a great experience.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for joining us, Georgina.
Thank you so much.
And thank you all for watching. We're going to be back with more amazing minds from the world of healthcare, medtech, AI, blockchain, and more on the AIBC channel. Stay tuned.